Okay, I'm back. I've been trying to record this a couple of times. YouTube has been freaking me out. But here's number 5. It's a 3x3 system. One of your favorites. So you got 3 equations, and you got to figure out the x, y, and z that work in all 3. So you use the process of elimination. You pick 2 equations so that you can add them or subtract them so that one of the variables is eliminated. So when I look at this, here's a positive x and a negative x, so I pick equation 1 and 3, and I'll add them together. When I do that, x plus negative x gives you 0. And then you add the y's, the z's, and the values at the end. And you get an equation with 2 variables. This one has y and z. So once you figure out which variable has been eliminated, you have to do the same elimination again with 2 different equations. So I went up and looked again and said, okay, I got to get rid of the x. Here's an x and a 2x. So if I multiply this equation by 2, I'll create 2x, and I'll be able to subtract this time. I just woke up, getting my lips to work. All right, so multiply this one by 2. 2x plus 2y plus 2z, 2. Multiplied everything by 2. Now 2x and 2x can be made to 0 by subtracting. So I subtract 2 minus 4, 2 minus 6, 2 minus 2. Create another equation with the variables y and z. Now use the one I made here and the one I made here to do elimination again to get rid of another variable. So this time I notice I have a negative 4 and a negative 4, so I don't have to multiply. These are the same, so I'll have to subtract. 4 minus negative 2. Negative 4 minus negative 4 is like negative 4 plus 4. That's 0. And 12 minus 0. 12. Now I have equation with 1 variable. Solve for y, get y equal to. Once you get one of the variables, you don't have to do elimination anymore. You can back substitute. Take one of your equations that you made, plug in this case y, and figure out z. Now you have y and z. Go and take one of the originals, plug in the 2 variables that you know, the values you know, 2 and negative 1, solve for the third. And that will give you your solution. Now you should check it, plug it back into all 3 and make sure it works. So if I just did, I did 4, but if I did this one here, put in for x, put in 2 for y, 3 times 2 is 6, put negative 1 for z, negative 5 times negative 1 is 5, so 6 plus 5 is 11.